Hi guys, welcome. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about various national and international agricultural research systems. This topic is very important for ICAR, JRF or any kind of agricultural competitive examinations. So keep watching this video. So first we'll discuss about various international agricultural research systems. After that, we'll discuss about national agricultural research systems with a special focus on ICAR system. So let's start it. So when we'll talk about international agricultural research system, so the first major player that will come across is the CGIAR. Then what is CGIAR? CGIAR is the consultative group on international agricultural research, which was established in 1971. And it was established to provide a strategic partnership of diverse donors that support 15 international centers. So here the major question that can be asked in your examination, that what is the full form of CGIAR and when CGIAR was established and how many international centers are there, means how many CGIAR international institutes are there, and where is the headquarter of CGIAR. So the headquarter of CGIAR is Montpellier, France. Then coming to the detailed information about various CGIAR institutes, in this slide we can see that there are 15 different CGIAR institutes, out of which Asian continent has 6 different institutes. Similarly, African continent has 4 institutes, and Europe has 1 institute, and North America and South America both are having 2 institutes each. So there are total 15 different institutes, and you can go through all the list of these institutes along with their location. These are very, very important, and questions may be asked in your examinations from this slide. So go through this name of different institutes and their location. So apart from CGIAR institutes, there are also different international institutes which are not funded by CGIAR, which are known as non-CGIAR institutes. So there are 20 non-CGIAR institutes, and you should remember all the locations of the institutes. In examinations, questions can be asked from this. So here we can see like World Vegetable Center, which is in Taiwan. Similarly, International Center for Insect Physiology and Ecology, which is in Nairobi, Kenya. So you please go through all this list of institutes by pausing the video, because all these are also very, very important for your competitive examinations. Then now we'll discuss about National Agricultural Research System. So National Agricultural Research System consists of 4 major bodies. Those are like ICAR, agricultural universities, general universities having agricultural facilities or agricultural research facilities, and voluntarily working like private organizations or scientific societies. Okay, so basically these are the body through which agricultural research is going on in our country. Now coming to various agricultural universities, here we can see the total number of agricultural universities in our country is 71, out of which state agricultural universities are 63, deemed universities are 5, and central universities are 3. And if we see about deemed universities, out of these 5, 4 are under ICAR and 1 is SWAT, which is in Uttar Pradesh. And if we see central agricultural universities, and the lists are like Central Agricultural University, which is in Imphal. The second one is Rani Lakshmibai Central Agricultural University, which is in Jhansi, and Rajendra Prasad Central Agricultural University, which is in Pusha, Bihar. Then coming to other lists like central universities with agricultural faculty. So there are 4 such type of universities are in India, and the number of traditional universities with agricultural colleges, the number is 5, and the IIT having agricultural faculty is IIT Kharagpur, and similarly IIM, that is Indian Institute of Management with Agri Education. There are 2 such type of IIMs are there, like IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Lucknow. So now we are going to discuss about Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So this topic is very important from examination point of view. In any kind of interview or any kind of competitive examinations, question can be made from this topic. So the present Union Minister of this ministry is Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, and the Ministers of State for Agriculture are Shobha Karandlaje and Kailash Chaudhary. So Shobha Karandlaje has been appointed as the Minister of State for Agriculture recently. In this figure, we can see the Union Minister is congratulating her for her appointment. And coming to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, the ministry has two different departments. Those are Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare and Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. So this is very, very important questions. A question can be made like, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is having how many departments? Actually, earlier, there were 3 departments under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Earlier, there were 3 departments. Those are Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture, Research and Education, and Department of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. So it means that out of 3 departments of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, the Department of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy is now converted to a separate Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, and the Union Minister of that ministry is Sri Purushottam Rupala. Then coming to Department of Agriculture, Research and Education, this department was established under the Ministry of Agriculture in December 1973. It is also a very important question. There are 4 different autonomous bodies under the administrative control of DARE, that is Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. Those are ICAR and 3 central agricultural universities. Okay, so 3 central agricultural universities and ICAR, those are the 4 autonomous bodies under the administrative control of Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. So basically, ultimate is the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, and under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, there are 2 departments. Those are Department of Agricultural Cooperation and Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. Under DARE, there are 4 autonomous bodies. Those are ICAR and 3 central agricultural universities. Okay, so till now it is clear. So basically, DARE provides the necessary government linkage for the Indian Council Agricultural Research, because DARE coordinates between the Ministry of Agriculture and ICAR. Okay, under Ministry of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture, Research and Education is there, and under DARE, ICAR is there. So DARE is coordinating ICAR with the Ministry of Agriculture. If you see the president of DARE, then Union Agriculture Minister is the president of DARE, and the secretary of DARE is the DG ICAR, Director General of ICAR is the secretary of DARE. So these are all important questions which can be asked in your examinations. Then coming to ICAR, ICAR was established on 16 July 1929. And what is the achievement of ICAR? Why agricultural research is important? Because it is an assumption that if we'll put a seed in soil, then plant will come off. Then what is the need of advanced agricultural research, advanced agricultural technique? This is because here another example is that because due to the ICAR's effort, due to the advancement in agricultural research, there is an increase in production of food grains by 5.6 times, horticultural crops by 10.5 times, fish by 10.8 times, milk by 10.4 times, and similarly eggs by 52.9 times since 1950-51 to 2017-18. It means ICAR was constantly working on the things, and these are the constantly improvement over various sectors due to agricultural research. And if you see different divisions of ICAR, under ICAR there are 8 different divisions, and those are crop science, horticultural science, natural resource management, agricultural engineering, animal science, fishery science, agricultural education, and agricultural extension. So now we will discuss about various universities, institutes, national research centers under ICAR system. So here we can see the number The number of deemed university under ICAR is 4. Similarly, there are 65 institutes are there under ICAR. Similarly, the number of national research center is 14. The number of national bureau is 6. Project directorate is 13. Similarly, AICRP, that is All India Coordinated Research Projects, the number of AICRPs under ICAR is 59, and the network project number is 20. Similarly, ATARIS means Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute. The number is 11, and there are also 722 KVKs are working. Basically, these ATARIS and KVKs are related to agricultural extension. All these research institutes suppose develop a technology, then these ATARIS, that is Agricultural Technology Application Research Institutes, work on the dissemination of these technologies to the farmer, and these disseminations occur through KVKs. Okay, so now I am going to show you how you can use ICAR website to get knowledge regarding ICAR system, because all these numbers are varying with time to time, and ICAR generally updates all these things on its website. So these are also very important questions in examinations. Questions can be made from this information. So you should visit the ICAR website and get the latest information about all these things just before examinations. So now I am going to show you how to use ICAR website for building your knowledge about ICAR. So you can open the website icar.org.in. After getting the home page, you can click on About Us. Here a brief information about ICAR and its establishment and its significance in increasing the food grain production in India has been mentioned. So you please go through this article because these are also important for your examinations. After this, you click on the vision documents. So basically, till now, ICAR has released 3 important vision documents. So just remember the document name, that is Vision 2020, ICAR Vision 2030, and ICAR Vision 2050. So these vision documents generally provide the strategic framework for innovation-led, inclusive, and sustainable agricultural growth in the country. After this, you can click on the annual report. So annual reports generally provide us the information about the ongoing research and the achievements of ICAR during a particular year. So the recent data of ICAR and its recent research work and achievements can be obtained from ICAR annual report. So by clicking on annual report, here we can get the ICAR annual report, and you can go through this article or this document and you can get some important information. Then after that, click on institutes. So clicking on institutes, you can get the list of institutes that are under ICAR. So under ICAR, there are 4 different deemed universities. Those are IRA New Delhi, NDRI Karnal, IVRI Ijatnagar, and Central Institute on Fishery Education, Mumbai. Then there are 65 institutes are there. So you have to remember all these institutes and their locations also, because in examinations, locations can be asked. Similarly, there are 14 national research centers, 6 national bureaus, 13 directorate or project directorate. So please go through this document and also remember the places or locations of all these institutes. Then you can click on the Agricultural Technology Application Research Institutes, and here you can see there are 11 ATARI centers are there throughout our country. Okay, so basically the research institutes do some research work and they develop some technology, and the ATARI centers generally they disseminate the technologies that are developed by the research institutes through the Krishi Vigyan Kendras. Then click on Krishi Vigyan Kendras. So here we can see there are 11 ATARIs, and under these 11 ATARIs, different zones are there, and within these zones, there are total 722 KVKs are there in India till now. So here we can see the UP is the state having highest number of KVKs, that is 86. And when we'll click a particular state, you can see the exact number of KVKs and the name of the KVKs, and also the host organizations, because KVKs are generally attached to state agricultural universities or ICAR. So here we can see the year of sanction of that KVK and under which the KVK is working. For example, here the Krishi Vigyan Kendra district, Ambedkar Nagar, here it is working under State Agricultural University. Okay, so similarly you can get the detailed information about KVKs also. Then after that you can click on ICAR awardees, because in some examinations also questions may be asked from different ICAR awards. So by clicking on ICAR awards and you just open the content page, and within content page you can get the list of awards and for which the award is provided. That is also very important. For example, here we can see Sardar Patel Outstanding ICAR Institutions Award. Okay, so a question can be made like Sardar Patel Award by ICAR is given for which achievement? For best institute or for best KVK or for best teacher or best PhD thesis. So question like this can be asked. So you have to once visit all this data so that you can have an idea about which award is for which particular category. Then coming to next, by clicking on AICRP and network projects, you can see the number of AICRPs and network projects that are working under ICAR. So here we can see there are 60 number of AICRPs are there. Actually, this is not updated, but now it is 59. There are 59 AICRPs are there. And coming to network projects, there are 19 network projects here it is written, but actually the network project number is 20. So basically one AICRP has been converted to one network project. So network project number is 20 and AICRP number of AICRP is 60. Similarly, here we can see there are 8 divisions of ICAR, and suppose we click on crop science. So when we click on crop science, then here we can see the number. There are 65 different research institutes are there under ICAR, but these 65 research institutes have been categorized under different divisions for administrative purpose. Okay, so here we can see the crop science division is having 13 national institutes. So basically we can conclude that for administrative purpose, different institutes have been categorized into different divisions, and each division is having one DDG, that is Deputy Director General, who is the authority of one division. Okay. Under agricultural education, 3 ICAR institutes are categorized like National Academy of Agricultural Research Management, NAN, Hyderabad, and Central Institute for Women in Agriculture, that is CIWA Bhubaneswar, and National Institute of Agricultural Economics and Policy Research, that is in New Delhi. Okay, so these are the 3 institutes which are under agricultural education. Similarly, we can see agricultural extension. So under agricultural extension division, there are 11 Atari centers are there and 722 Krishi Vigyan Kendras are there. So it is not updated here. After that, you can click on the agricultural universities like Central Agricultural Universities. So here we can see the number of Central Agricultural Universities 3. Similarly, you can click on deemed universities, and here you can see under ICAR there are 4 deemed universities. And coming to state agricultural universities, here we can see there are 63 state agricultural universities. So I hope this information is clear to you. This will help you for making your own note just before your examinations, so that the ICAR related questions, if comes in examination, then you can easily answer. So thank you for listening. Take care.